Britt, I'm so excited. Today we're just a few blocks away from this East End house in South Lagoon.
Absolutely. It's close to Rick Seltzer Park and all of the fun stuff.
Let's do it.
Go down, and I feel it taking me over now.
I love the open concept living area, and it's furnished just so adorably.
Till the sun goes down.
I love this renovated kitchen and the way it lets a lot of the natural light from the backyard in. Heather, the size of this yard in Panama City Beach, unheard of.
Right? And I love the layout. You've got your green space and plenty of outdoor living space. A great modern coastal theme here, leaving the main bedroom into this beautiful ensuite that keeps the vibe going. And it leads right into the main living space, which is convenient for guests. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing links there for you so you can find out all the details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.
Sky, and I'm just stuck down here in my